Welcome to FX Meridian's monthly market overview. We'll be taking a closer look at June's rally and how the US-China trade war tariffs are affecting Boeing's price and how the entire political situation can impact market prices. Let's get right into it. For years, the US and China have been in a trade war, but tensions rose the last few months. Both sides have imposed tariffs on each other's goods. These tariffs are a form of tax. They make goods more expensive. The tariffs have hurt businesses and consumers in both countries. In recent weeks, there have been signs of a thaw in the trade war. The US and China have agreed to a 90-day truce. This means they will stop increasing tariffs for now. They will also try to negotiate a new trade deal. This truce is good news for businesses and consumers. It is a sign that the two sides are willing to talk. It is a step in the right direction. The trade war between the US and China had a major impact on Boeing. Boeing is an American company that makes airplanes. China is one of Boeing's biggest customers. In April 2025, China banned its airlines from accepting new Boeing planes. This ban was a major blow to Boeing. It was also a sign of how bad the trade war had become. The ban was in place for a month. During that time, Boeing was unable to deliver any new planes to China. This cost the company millions of dollars. It also hurt Boeing's reputation. The trade truce between the US and China included a provision that would lift the ban on Boeing deliveries. This was a major victory for Boeing. It was also a sign that the trade truce was having a real impact. The lifting of the ban was announced on May 13, 2025. It came after days of negotiations between US and Chinese officials. The agreement was reached just hours before a deadline set by the US. With the ban lifted, Boeing can now resume deliveries of planes to China. The company has said that it plans to deliver 50 planes to China in 2025. This is about 10% of Boeing's total backlog of orders. The first Boeing plane to be delivered to China after the ban was lifted was a 737 MAX. The plane was delivered to China Southern Airlines on May 15, 2025. Section 5. The financial fallout. Assessing the damage, the month-long ban on Boeing deliveries cost the company an estimated $1 billion in lost revenue, also hurt Boeing's stock price. The company's shares fell by more than 10% during the time that the ban was in place. The lifting of the ban is good news for Boeing. However, the company still faces challenges. The trade war between the US and China is ongoing. If you want to get the most from the markets, join us at fxmeridian.com for full access.